Is this why you didn't show up to Kaufmo's funeral? I don't show up to any funerals. Yeah, I bet you don't, because you're scared. You're scared you'll actually show a human emotion. I'm scared I'll be bored to tears. Have you ever thought that this might be what causes people to abstract in the first place? Oh my god! You seriously gonna blame me for something that anyone else did too? You don't even know him. You don't know what people are like before they abstract. They are not pleasant to be around. Like at all. You. I'm sorry. I'm sure you are. Oh man. This is all sorts of embarrassing, huh? So, are you gonna shoot me or what? What would you do if I abstracted tomorrow? I'd move on. Probably 6, 7. Okay. Okay. I understand. Jeez, you really can't take a drill, can you? They're not the funny one. I don't think that counts. Hey, what are you doing? Nom. Fight back. Are you crazy? I said fight back. Smack, hit, scratch, yarg. Stop! Why didn't you fight back? Oh, here we go. Because I didn't fight back, that means I secretly care about you? I'm just a misunderstood little chicken fetus in an egg that needs to be cracked open. Well, I am not. I do not care about you or anyone else in the circus in the slightest. It's the story. You are my playthings! And I get joy out of making you suffer. I'm the one who causes the pain for what? I led you on. It was just to make this hurt you more. Abracadabra sticks. Skibbity slicers. There's nothing more to me. So please, just stop looking.